Alright, what's up guys? Ultimate Money Grower here, back for another video. So today's video I'll be showing you how to buy and trade in Binance. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in the trading page in Binance. So for you to get here, you need to go to trade and then go to advanced. What I'm using is the advanced tool because I don't want you guys to like mess or like use this convert classic and other stuff. Go directly to advanced. It would be way easier if you get used to the advanced tools. Okay, so if you go to advanced, normally this will be the page that you'll be seeing. All right, so today I conducted a technical analysis on one cryptocurrency here. I am gonna be going to show you how to buy, right? So let's pull up Shiba. Right. So don't get confused with my indicators here. It's a Fibonacci retracement. So let me just delete that so we can see it clearly. Okay, I actually missed the candle here, but anyway, just for it to show you guys. Its current price is 27.80. Okay, let's go for the market price. All right, so in this page, this is where you place your order. All right, so if you wanna looking for selling, you should click to sell and buy. So either way. So right now, as you can see, this green here, this is the current price. That would be 0.00002794 and so on. So if you are gonna be choosing this limit option, you are gonna be uh, placing the price that you want to buy this cryptocurrency. So in my case, I look to buy at, let's say, what price is that? 28. So let's go for it. 27,999. Let's say something like that. And the amount of Shiba. So that depends on your current balance. So this is my available balances here, as you can see in the bottom bottom right. Shiba available. That'll be 625 and so on. So it depends. You can actually specify here. You can input a specific amount like 100 or something. But normally what I do is like I just drag this cursor. If you're going to be going for 100%, then all of your available funds will be used for this to maximize the amount. Let's, for example, just for now, I'll go for 50%, and then I'll click buy. Oh, it did not go through. Sorry, because the current price is lower than my actual price. So let me edit that one. Hang on. So let's say we're gonna be buying at 25.05. 25.05, and let's say 50% and buy. What was that? Greater than 10. Oh, I see. Alright, hang on. My available funds is insufficient. Makes sense because I have this order. Let me cancel this one. Okay, there you go. There you go. My available funds increased because I canceled my previous order. Hang on. Sorry about that. So if I go for 50%, there you go. and buy. There you go. Limit buy order completed. So what will happen? As you can see here, we have an open order. So this is where you see your current order. So if you buy it, I bought at 25.05. The current price is 27.30, right? So if you notice this page here, the reds and the green ones are the one are looking to buy, and the reds are the one who's looking to sell. So basically, their system, if it matches, then it will uh, push the order of someone. So if someone will place an order or sell currently or sell at this price, the one that I ordered, then this will be filled up so I can get my Shiba currency. Right, so right now, we're still gonna be waiting, and I hope it goes down a little bit so we can fulfill this order. So don't get confused about this number. These are the sellers and the buyers. So let me show you. Hang on. There you go. Mm. So basically, the buyers are the ones who bid at the most biggest amount. So if you bid at the biggest amount, then you are the first buyer, or it's basically like the biggest bidder is the first one. And also in the selling price, the ones who sells the lowest is the one who goes first. Okay, so don't get confused about these numbers. All right, so that's the limit. And the market, I suggest you don't use this one because normally if you choose this, it can't edit the price. It will just say that you buy at the current price or the current market price. Okay, that would be the 27, the one, this is the one moving. So if you put and buy here, then normally it will automatically give you your crypto. It won't go here, or it may go here, but after a few seconds, it will uh, be fulfilled instantly. Okay, so I suggest you don't use this market. And stop limit is somehow like a stop loss limit. So I also don't suggest you use this if you're a beginner. Okay, so for now, I strongly recommend that you go for the limit. So this is the most basic. All right, so that's how you trade and buy in Binance. So again, once you have your current currency, if you're holding this already and you're looking to sell, then you just go for sell. So same thing. All right. So I think that's it. I hope you learned something today, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. And by the way, don't forget to click subscribe and support me as a newbie. Thank you so much. Bye bye.